Kling AI lip sync tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been searching for a simple yet powerful way to create impressive videos, especially lip sync videos that look professional and engaging, then you're exactly where you need to be. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Kling AI to produce fantastic lip sync videos, along with many other creative types of content. This platform offers a range of tools that make it possible for anyone, even beginners, to bring static images to life with realistic mouth movements and synced audio. So, let's jump in and begin the process step by step. To get everything set up, the first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and go to the official Kling AI website. Simply type klingai.com into your browser's address bar and press enter. Once you land on the home page, you should see a button labeled Create displayed prominently near the top section of the page. Go ahead and click on the Create button to proceed to the next stage. After you click on Create, you will automatically be redirected to the Kling AI application workspace, which is hosted under app.doling.ai. This is the main area where you'll access all of the platform's features. If you don't already have an account, you will be prompted to sign up for a free one. Signing up is quick and doesn't require much information. Once you've completed the registration process, Kling AI will instantly credit your account with 166 free credits. These credits allow you to start creating right away without needing to pay for a subscription. Even better, if you continue to log into your account each month, these credits will refresh automatically, giving you the freedom to keep experimenting with new videos every single month. Once your account is active and you've logged into the dashboard, you're ready to start building your first lip sync video. To find the right tools, look over on the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll notice a vertical menu panel containing different options for generating content. Begin by clicking on AI Generation. This section houses most of the core creative features you'll be using. When you expand the AI Generation menu, you will see an option labeled Image. Go ahead and click on Image to open up additional settings and tools. After selecting Image, you will notice several categories displayed for different kinds of content creation. You will see options for adding effects to images, as well as sections for video generation and sound generation. If you scroll down further in this menu, you will also come across a few more advanced features, including AI virtual try-ons, which let you preview products on a model, and of course the lip sync feature, which is the main focus of this tutorial. You'll also find a tool called Extend, which can be used to expand your projects with more customizations and creative enhancements. Once you click into the lip sync section, you'll notice that you have a few different ways to get started with your project. You can simply drag and drop a file directly into the workspace if you already have an image or video you'd like to use. Alternatively, you can access your history, which means you're able to pull up any videos or animations you have previously created and repurpose them to build fresh lip sync content. This is especially useful if you want to make multiple variations or updates to something you worked on earlier. You'll also find that Kling AI provides some sample content you can experiment with. For example, you might see a sample character sitting in a neutral position, ready to be animated. You can start your practice by working with this sample figure and testing out different text inputs to see how the lip sync feature behaves. At this stage, you can simply type in any phrase you want your character to speak. Right now, Kling AI supports English and Chinese, so if you plan to create lip sync videos in other languages, you'll have to wait for those capabilities to be added in future updates. Hopefully, the platform will continue to expand its language support over time. For this demonstration, I'm going to open one of my own previous uploads. This is a video I created earlier while experimenting with Kling AI's tools. Once the video loads, you'll see the character displayed in the main preview area. Over on the right-hand side of the interface, you'll find the text input field. This is where you need to type the exact phrase you want the character to say. As soon as you enter the text, Kling AI will automatically detect the estimated speech time needed to read it aloud. My video clip in this example has a total length of about 5 seconds, which means the phrase I enter shouldn't take longer than 5 seconds to read. Otherwise, the audio won't sync properly with the visual animation. To keep it short, I'm going to type in the sentence, "I am the true queen." This is a simple phrase that fits comfortably within the available time. Just below the text input, you'll see the speech time estimate displayed. With the default basic voice reader, the system calculates that this phrase will take roughly 3 seconds to deliver. Since I prefer to use a female voice, I'm going to adjust the settings by clicking on the female option. When you click female, you'll see a list of different voice types to choose from, such as young women, middle-aged women, elderly voices, kid voices, and even a few professional narration styles. I recommend listening to a few samples until you find the tone and style that suits your project. I'm going to test several of these voices to compare their sound and pick the one I like best. After previewing them, I settle on one that feels natural and expressive. In this case, the chosen voice brings the speech time down to about 2 seconds because it reads slightly faster. Next, you'll notice the speech rate control, which lets you slow down or speed up how quickly the phrase is spoken. For this tutorial, I want the timing to match the video clip exactly, so I'm going to set the speed back to 1x, which is the normal rate. Below the speech rate, you can also set the emotion for your character's delivery. This adds a lot of personality and realism to your video. For example, you can select emotions like neutral, happy, sad, angry, or other available options depending on the voice pack you chose. Here, I'm going to pick happy to give the phrase a cheerful feel. Once you've configured the text, speed, voice type, and emotion, you can click the play button to preview how everything sounds together. If you're satisfied with the result, the next step is to decide where you want the speech to start within the clip timeline. After positioning it properly, click on the Add Speech button. You'll see that the speech clip is now added to the bottom timeline of your project. To make sure everything works as expected, you can press play again to watch the character animation with the mouth movements synced to the audio you created. When you're ready to generate the final output, simply click on Generate Over on the right side of the screen. Once you've decided exactly where you want the speech to appear in your clip, you'll need to double-check the timeline to make sure the placement matches your intention. In my case, I want the spoken line to appear right at the end of the video, during the part where the character is walking across the scene. So I'm going to drag the placement marker all the way to the final few seconds of the timeline to ensure it lines up perfectly. After setting the position, I simply click on the Generate button located on the right side of the screen. At this point, Kling AI will begin processing your video and synchronizing the lip movements to match the text you typed in earlier. Since the text in this example is relatively short, the rendering process doesn't take very long at all. For longer scripts or videos with more complex elements, the generation might require a few additional minutes. But in this case, it took less than 1 minute for Kling AI to complete the lip sync animation and create the final version of the clip. Once the rendering is finished, you can immediately play back the video preview to see how well the mouth movements match the audio. In my preview, you'll notice that the character's lips are moving smoothly in sync with the short sentence I added. Along with the animation, the audio plays back clearly, creating a very natural and polished result. I'm quite pleased with how it turned out, especially considering this was generated automatically using Kling AI's built-in tools. It's important to remember that you're not limited to short phrases. You can add longer pieces of text if your video clip has a longer duration. For example, if you have a 10-second video, 20-second video, or even longer footage, you can write a complete sentence or paragraph that fills up the entire length of the clip. Kling AI will detect the timing automatically and adjust the lip movement accordingly to match the spoken content. The video I used here as a demonstration was actually created earlier with Kling AI's text-to-video editor, which is another powerful tool included in the platform. This means you can combine multiple features, first generating a character video from text, then adding realistic lip syncing on top of it to produce a fully customized result. When you start experimenting, you'll also notice that Kling AI provides hint videos and sample examples that you can practice with. These examples can help you understand how lip sync works and give you a chance to test out different settings before you use your own content. One helpful tip to keep in mind: if your video is a still shot, such as a person sitting or looking directly into the camera without moving around too much, the lip syncing process tends to be much easier. Because there isn't any competing movement of the character's body or head, the mouth animation appears smoother and more precise. On the other hand, if your character is actively moving, like in my example where she is walking across the frame, you are combining two types of motion: full body movement and lip animation. This can sometimes make the synchronization appear slightly less consistent because the software is blending both types of actions at once. Even so, Kling AI does a remarkable job of maintaining the lip sync quality, even with more dynamic footage. Beyond lip syncing, Kling AI includes an extend feature that lets you lengthen any video clip you have created. If you want your project to be longer or you'd like to expand a scene, you can go into Extend, choose a clip from your project history, and generate a longer version automatically. This makes it easy to build more complete videos without having to start over. In addition to extending content, Kling AI offers text-to-image capabilities, where you can create new images simply by typing a description. You can also create images using an image reference, meaning you upload an existing picture and generate variations based on it. For video creation, Kling AI provides several methods. You can produce videos directly from text prompts, create videos based on images, or combine multiple creative assets using the multi-elements feature. So, what exactly are multi-elements? This option allows you to upload different types of assets, such as video clips, images, and other elements, and combine them into a single cohesive video. For example, you could upload a video you want to edit, then bring in additional animated objects, background visuals, or overlays, and arrange them all in one project. If you'd like to include additional elements in your video, such as a frog, a dog, a cat, or any other object or character, you can easily do that right inside the Elements section. This feature lets you incorporate your own original files into your project, so the assets you add will appear exactly as you uploaded them. To bring in these files, simply click on the Add or Delete buttons within the Elements panel. From there, you can upload video clips in MP4 or MOV format, depending on what you have available. Just keep in mind that there is a maximum file size limit of 100 megabytes per upload, so you'll want to make sure your files are compressed or trimmed if they exceed that size. Besides uploading your own assets, Kling AI also provides access to a stock library full of ready-to-use images. You can explore this library to find different visuals that might fit the style of your project. For example, you'll see a wide variety of high-quality images ranging from animals and landscapes to abstract backgrounds and character illustrations. These stock images can be added directly into your video composition with just a few clicks. Beyond static elements, Kling AI has an effects section where you can browse and apply some of the most popular effects trending across social media platforms. This includes filters, overlays, and motion graphics that you've probably seen in viral videos and short-form content. By adding these effects, you can make your videos look more dynamic and polished, perfect for grabbing attention online. If you return to the home page of Kling AI, you'll find even more ways to gather ideas and inspiration. The home page showcases a collection of creations made by other users. You can click on the Shorts tab to view examples of short videos that people are producing with the platform. This can help you see what types of projects are possible and discover creative approaches you might not have thought of. When you click on any user's video in the feed, you'll be able to see the full prompt text they used, along with the preview of the final video. Because all of this content is AI generated, it's a great way to understand how different text prompts and settings impact the output. You also have the option to follow creators whose work you enjoy. By following them, you can stay updated whenever they publish new content and keep learning from their ideas. In addition to all these free features, Kling AI offers paid subscription plans for users who want more credits, faster rendering speeds, and extra premium tools. For example, you can unlock more credits and advanced capabilities for as little as $6.99 per month, which provides 660 credits monthly, fast-track generation, professional mode for videos, and the ability to remove the Kling AI watermark from your creations. If you need even more capacity, there's also an annual plan priced at $79 per year, offering steady credits and premium perks without the need to renew every month. For professionals or businesses producing higher volumes of content, Kling AI has a premier plan that costs $64 per month, delivering 8,000 credits monthly, along with all the highest tier features for large-scale video production. If you found this walkthrough helpful and you'd like to support the channel, it would mean a lot if you could leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, whether about Kling AI, creating lip sync videos, or using other digital tools and social platforms, feel free to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. I always do my best to read your messages and reply as quickly as I can. Also, if there's anything you notice that might be missing, or if you'd like me to cover something in more detail, definitely let me know. Your feedback helps improve these tutorials and make sure everyone can learn and create with confidence.